Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate a Twilight Sparkle's iconic style in Dress to Impress. So this dreamy tutorial blends magic, smart and serious style. It's perfect for giving off My Little Baddie vibes with a glow up that even Princess Celestia would approve of. And if you want to know how you can create this one, let me show you the steps. So first, I'm going to do the hair. For the hair, I'm going to wear this long straight hair and change the color into this dark blue color and also combine it with this dark pink color. And also, I'm going to wear this bangs in here and use the blue and also again the pink color. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, let's start the outfit. So first I'm going to go to the fitting room in here, and for the top I'm going to wear this code items, but I'm going to toggle it into shirt only and change the bow color into pink and the shirt blue like this. And now I'm going to also put on these leg warmers and change the color into purple. So this is the purple color that I'm going to use, this one in here. And I'm going to also put on this shoe, this boots in here, and just make the color black. Okay, so once you're done in here, you can start with the rest of the outfit. So for the bottom, I'm going to combine two skirts. So first, I'm going to wear this skirt in here and change the color into purple. Then I'm going to combine it with the skirt. First preview is purple, second one pink, and the third one go back to purple. Okay, now I'm going to grab the socks, toggle it into high striped socks and change the color into pink. Like this. Now we can just put on some accessories. So I'm going to grab this book, and then let me grab the backpack. This backpack in here, and I'm going to change the color using this blue color. And now let me put on these earrings, and after that the look is done. And so guys, this is the Twilight Sparkle for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.